So today's topic is about what you can and cannot eat during your fast. Whether it be 12 hours, 24 hours, or a prolonged fast, you need to know what you can drink, what you can eat, what you can't eat, what you can't drink. And a lot of people get that confused. So in this video, by the end of it, you'll know exactly what you can and can't have to help assist with your fast. What's up everybody, it's Andrew V here. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a performance coach, mindset coach. I'm releasing these videos every day in hopes to motivate you, inspire you, and give you knowledge about what it takes to get shredded, what it takes to get lean, what it takes to live the best version of yourself. I'm currently writing a book on the psychology of weight loss and understanding that it's all in your mindset, your health, your weight, your physique. It's all about how you structure it in your mind. Now, one of the tools is fasting. I have many videos on fasting, but today, as I said, what we're going to be addressing is what you can and what you can't eat or drink during a fast. So a couple of things. Most people will just say, well, during a fast, you can't eat anything or drink anything. And that's more or less true. So a couple of things, very simple, straight off the bat. Water. You can have as much water as you want. Mineral water, sparkling water, H2O, water. Not with flavorings, not with sugar-free flavorings, not with anything else. Now, when we talk about sugar-free and we talk about things like diet drinks. Now, diet drinks and sugar drinks will have almost 0 calories. Now, you can, in theory, have them during your fast. However, there is a chemical in there that does trigger your insulin response, which may convince your body that it is actually getting a form of food. So, if you're fasting specifically for weight loss, sweet, have it. If you're fasting, if you're doing a 24, 36 hour, 72 hour fast, and you're specifically using it to kind of stop your body, detox it from all the chemicals, and kind of reset everything, then I would definitely stay away from sugar and diet-free alternatives. One thing I actually previously thought which was okay to have was sugar-free gum. Now, sugar-free gum, on the back, on the actual label, it looks like there's nothing in it. However, it does have sugar alcohols in it. Now, even though they don't register as carbs or sugar, they actually work in your system as the same as carbohydrates. So, sugar-free gum, stay away from. Coffee, great. Coffee, black. When I mean black, no milk, no Splenda, nothing in it. Coffee, black, as is. Tea, black, as is. Now, black tea. Now, you can sometimes get teas with actually added sugar or added flavorings, or they might be sweet. If it's a sweet tea, my recommendation, stay away from it. So, pretty simple. During a fast, water's good. Stay away from diet-free alternatives if you're doing it for healing reasons or like to reset your metabolism, but otherwise they're okay. Stay away from sugar-free gum. Stay away from calorie-free food. I once tried calorie-free noodles, and what it did to my digestive system was something chronic. So if you're looking at a food and it looks too good to be true and it's calorie-free maple syrup or calorie-free anything, best stay away from it. Not only will it do something weird in your system, but also there's probably other ingredients in there which will actually confuse your body as if it's getting food anyway, and it'll actually nullify the purpose of the fast. So that's what you can have. Food-wise, you can't really have much. You can't have anything on a fast. So stay away from food in general. Pretty simple. So it's most likely going to be liquids. Coffee is an appetite suppressant. There's caffeine in black coffee as well and in green tea. So use that. You'll find that your appetite, especially the first sort of 12, 24 hours, you're going to be hungry, you're going to be dreaming of food, you're going to want food. So generally speaking, caffeine or caffeinated tea will actually get you through those moments. Hopefully this video was of value to you. Tomorrow, I'm going to be discussing what you can and can't exercise and how you should exercise during a prolonged fast. I'm now deep into a 60-hour fast, and I've exercised 4 times now during my fast. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, you can't exercise, you can't do stuff. Well, there is actually stuff you can do to assist with your fast, bring you into ketosis faster, and create muscle retention while losing fat. So I'll discuss that with you later tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Like the video, comment. I'm always around. I'm releasing these pretty much daily. Check out my other videos. There's little gold nuggets in every single video. If you're on the mission to success, to motivation, to building a business, to building the best you that you can be, then that's what I'm here for. I hope you got value out of it today. Till the next video, signing out.